Oh goddess, this is not just a love story. I'm writing down this incident in my personal diary, as this is the most intriguing case of my entire police career, till now. Some years before, at that time, I, Samar Das, was Assistant Sub-Inspector of Rani Nagar Police Station. Many students of Rani Medical College, Hospital, were protesting peacefully inside Medical College campus. They were demanding justice for their Dr. Paki, who was a working lady doctor of that hospital, and before 3 days, she was found brutally murdered in one of the hospital lab room. She was working on her night shift while a civic volunteer and security guard of that hospital brutally raped and murdered her. Yes, we police arrested that culprit named Diru. Next morning, with the help of CCTV camera footage, he is in jail now. The principal said to the reporters,
"That girl shouldn't have gone to a lab alone at night. Girls should take care of their own safety."
Yeah, the principal is not a good man. Not much of the students and doctors of that college liked him. The principal of that college hospital resigned due to students' pressure, but was appointed to another hospital of our city by the government. Surely he was favored by the MLA of our district's ruling party. Surely something was going on secretly. But those students were protesting, claiming that some hospital staffs were involved in a secret organ trafficking business. They claim that syndicate was also connected with the ruling political party of that district. Dr. Paki was collecting proofs against them. That's why they murdered her. We police thought these were just theories, but we were wrong. Two trucks full of political party goons came and attacked those protesters at that evening. They also entered into the hospital and destroyed the crime scene along with other medical labs. Then they all ran away. It was obvious that they wanted to destroy the crime scene and also threaten those protesters. The ruling party leader claimed that those goons were sent by the opposition party. But we police knew the truth. But we were also controlled by the ruling party. The next morning, some students courageously again started the protest. And two doctors involved in organ trafficking were smiling while standing on the hospital rooftop.
Ha ha ha! Look at those fools! As if they will gain something by protesting like Gandhi. Peaceful protest is just a circus. How dare they, still protesting after being beaten hard by those party goons? Stupid they are. Why don't they understand? The ruling party is with us, so the system is with us. Ha 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 ha!
Hey, why are you smiling, my friend? Surely because of this stupid amusing sight down there. And you can smoke in front of me now. You are now part of our syndicate.
It's okay. Thank you, sir. And about the syndicate, sir, I think we should stop our organ trafficking business for some time. As you know.
Why? Because those stupid students are protesting? Oh, come on. No one knows how long they are going to protest. The justice they are demanding are nothing but a fairy tale. Don't worry. The government is with us. Yes, our boss, principal sir, just resigned, but he has gave us permission to carry on extracting organs and selling them illegally. Our boss has been appointed as principal in another medical college by our minister.
Still, I'm little scared, sir.
Don't worry, we are safe. I am the one who ordered Dhiru, the security guard, to kill that lady doctor, Paki. Dhiru also enjoyed her.
Yes, sir. Paki was really sexy. Surely she tasted well. Dhiru got a heavenly opportunity. But sir, what if Dhiru tells the police about us?
No chance. When I ordered Dhiru, I told him that we will pay huge amount of money to his poor family every month. And if he dares to open his ugly mouth, we will kill his mother. And Dhiru agreed. Dhiru has been arrested, but there are other security guards who will smuggle those organs out of hospital. For us, don't worry. And the new customer is really paying us good. He was also asking for some hearts. Extracting heart from a patient means killing that poor. But money is what we all worship, my friend. And we are becoming rich due to the secret business. So don't worry. Let's carry on our illegal business.
We, the police, were amazed by how they were killed. Some said it was sniper shot. But the forensic report claimed they were shot not by bullets, but with poisonous pins. And the shots were made from close range. I had a feeling someone shooted them while standing on the roof. Or maybe it was a drone attack. The truth was far till then. I was reading some files of this case when I found a diary lying under many old files. A diary of that murdered victim, Dr. Paki. This diary was given to a constable by father of Dr. Paki when they came to file a complaint. But as expected, that constable didn't took the diary seriously. Dr. Paki wrote about a secret illegal organ trafficking syndicate operating in Ronin Medical College Hospital. She also wrote the names of some doctors, civic volunteers, security guards, and others who were involved in that illegal organ trafficking business. And names of those 2 doctors murdered just yesterday were also in that diary. I ran to my boss, sub-inspector of Ronin Nagar Police Station, showing him the diary excitedly. Sir, this is the diary of Dr. Paki. She had written on it about a legal organ trafficking syndicate running in that hospital. And those 2 doctors murdered yesterday also have their names in it. According to the diary, those 2 doctors used to extract vital organs from patients without letting those patients know about that. Some patients were brought to the hospital from villages, telling them that their operations will be conducted free of money. Those poor villagers were brought by some security guards of that hospital, including the rapist Dhiru. And those doctors used to extract kidneys, livers, and other vital organs without those patients' consent. In the diary, it's written that they even used to kill some poor villager patients, telling others that those were failed operations. Those security guards smuggled those organs out of hospital, while some were implanted into rich patients' bodies. In other operation rooms of Ronin Medical College Hospital, they get huge amount of money from different rich buyers. Even the principal of that college hospital were involved. No doubt, those students are protesting for some serious reasons. Dr. Paki was trying to expose this illegal business. Maybe she was killed because of that.
Oh, come on. What are you saying? You were told to investigate those doctors' murder, not blaming other people regarding some notes on a diary. Focus on your job.
I am focusing on my job. Sir, those students protesting are also claiming about some secret syndicate. Really, justice for Dr. Paki is till due.
We can't take some writings of a personal diary as evidence that Dr. Paki was murdered by Dhiru, whom we have already taken into custody. Soon, the honorable court will punish him. Your duty is to investigate how and who killed those doctors. What are the case reports?
Sir, I have sent some constables to Dr. Pocky's house. She has a sister. She could be planned to murder out of revenge. She is an electrical and robotics engineer. Maybe she killed them with some kind of flying drone. My team has searched her room and house. There were no drones. We have looked into her call history. It was clean, without any suspicion. We requested her to hand over her mobile phone and collect it back from police station. She didn't have a problem. We are scanning her phone. If we find something, I will let you know, sir. It was obvious. Our boss was hiding many things. He was being controlled by the government. Our district MLA, Madhuri Bose, could become the chief minister after the next election. Her party has many student union offices throughout every colleges and universities of our megatown, Rani Nagar. The union leader of Rani Medical College Hospital is Raja Singh. Raja is son of the principal of that college hospital. Raja has been involved in many political campaigns of the ruling party. Even MLA Madam is very much in favor with him. Maybe that principal and Raja and the current MLA Madam are all involved in many secret political endeavors. Otherwise, why would she appoint that principal again in another college, just after he resigned due to pressure of those protesting students? Maybe even the government of our town also involved in that illegal business. Who knows? I was thinking a lot sitting in my office when I was informed Pramita, sister of Dr. Pocky, has arrived in our police station. That was the first time I saw her. She was not that beautiful, but her eyes were very bright, and most of the time she smoked like a chimney. I hated cigarette smokers, and girls smoking cigarette were more disgusting to me. Whatever. I started to ask her some questions.
Wonderful work you all are doing, officer. You are searching house of the victim, while those real illegal organ trafficking businessmen are walking free. My name is Paramita, and I study robotic engineering in a college in a far-away town. I need my phone back. I do programming coding and work a lot in my phone. Please give back my phone. If you have already done your wonderful investigations, I was full to give you my sister's diary. I need my sister's diary back too.
We can't give you the diary because some men mentioned in that diary were murdered. I need to ask you some questions. Where you were in the last few days?
Oh goodness, maybe at least someone is working for my sister's justice, while the police are harassing the family of the victim. Has that culprit Dhiru confessed? Did he said something about that illegal organ trafficking business?
Okay, let me tell you. He confessed about murdering your sister after sexually assaulting her. He has also confessed briefly about the syndicate. But Dhiru said if he speaks more about the syndicate, his family will be in danger. So he has shut his mouth after saying that he will not speak anything regarding this in court.
Okay, at least you've tried. Let me answer your questions now. I was in my engineering college, happily studying robotics, working on my latest project for the college seminar festival. Was happy with my 2 pet eagles. They grew up so fast.
Wow, you have pet eagles?
My father runs a bird selling shop. From our childhood, me and my sister developed a strong affection towards birds. My elder sister was named Pocky, as Pocky literally means bird. Just like my late sister, I love birds too. Birds are very clever, emotional, and they really have their language. And eagles can fly while carrying more weight than their own. They are really the queen among birds. Whatever. The night when my sister got murdered, I was partying with my female hostel mates. We were drunk. We were celebrating my success in our college festival. My robotic model was praised by everyone. We were all drunk and enjoying. Suddenly, my sister, Pocky, called me on my phone. I knew she had night shifts some evenings, but she never called so late at night. I didn't realize how serious that phone call was. She was hiding her tension and fears with a sweet voice, just like always. Hello, sister! Guess what? I won the college science festival, and those eagles, They grew up very fast. I have also trained them to perform amazing act. No, Pocky, I am not drunk. I was studying, I swear. My latest project, I have named it after you. I call it Pocky, inspired by Leonardo da Vinci's works. I am so excited to show you, my dear. And can you guess what I have created for the Science Festival?
Pramita, listen carefully. Pramita, something very bad is going on secretly in our college hospital. Some doctors, including our principal, are involved in an organ trafficking business. I have collected proofs and gave that pen drive to a reporter named Manoj. He works in the reporter's office of our town. Hope he will make those evidences public. If something happens to me, I have written everything in my red diary. If something happens to me, please give that diary to police.
Pocky, stay out of danger. Are you gone mad? Focus on your job. The world is a cruel place. Please leave it. Stay out of danger. Shut up. Stay out of that matter. Don't run into danger.
If something happens to me, take care of our father. I have to go to work in the lab. Please stay safe and come back home as you can. Take care. Good night.
The most hurting part is, I was doing party drunk, smoking when my sister got brutally assaulted and murdered. I will never forgive myself for this. The next morning, I woke up shocked by a strange dream. My father called me on phone. He said he was informed by the hospital staffs about what happened to our Pocky. He was devastated. He cried and told me to come back to our town. I ran. My eagles followed me. They understood somehow something was making me very, very, very sad and depressed. I came back to our town after maybe a year. My father told me everything. I tried to pacify him, but his wound and loss was far more deep. I read my sister's diary. I hoped by giving that diary to police will let my sister find justice. The constable took the diary, saying they will look into this matter. And here we are now, wasting time, while that syndicate are earning more money illegally.
Thank you. Please wait for some time. I will give you back the diary, and I promise I will try my best to punish those criminal syndicate. Wait for some time. I will get back to you. I got back to my work while Pramita was waiting on a bench. We gave her mobile back. She was sitting while scrolling her phone. My lady officer informed me. What about her phone? Was there some Android applications that could operate a drone? Or anything suspicious?
No, sir. Her phone has many apps of Python programming coding. No drone operating apps were found. Yes, some strange applications are present in her phone, but those are surely coding applications for her engineering studies. Her phone is full of computer coding applications. That's it. According to Paramita's call history, she is speaking the truth. She didn't call any professional killer. She is clean.
What about the hospital CCTV cameras?
No one other than those two doctors went to the roof at that time. And our constables asked many college hospital guards and doctors and nurses. No one saw any drone flying in sky. The CCTV camera on the roof even didn't capture a drone or any kinds of suspicious flying objects around. Just many birds were flying as usual. Even birds are still flying by.
At that height, flying birds are very common. Birds have been flying there always. What about other cameras towards the windows of lower floors?
Even the CCTV footages of the higher floor halls, cameras looking towards windows, didn't capture any flying drone.
Strange. It's not sniper attack. That poisonous pin was shot from close range. How were they killed? Okay, keep an eye on her.
Thank you, sir, and I have digitally copied Pocky's diary. You can return the diary to Pramita now.
Through my police sources, I came to know the principal was promoting his son, Raja, by heavily funding the ruling political party. With the black money earned from organ trafficking business, he made a deal with the MLA, Madhuri Devi. Madhuri Devi even decided to make Raja the next MLA of our town after the next election. Madhuri Devi was using a vote bank full of illegal immigrants coming to our state from neighboring countries. Madhuri Devi's party used to create fake voter and Aadhaar identity cards to those illegal immigrants. With this tactic, she was getting many illegal votes. While winning election after election, she could become the next chief minister of our state. While Raja was busy in political campaigns, he was leading the students' protests in that hospital. He was the student union leader after all. He was acting like he really cared about Dr. Pocky. But the brutal truth is, Raja and his father, the principal, were the link between ruling political party and that illegal organ trafficking syndicate. The syndicate used to help the party with huge amount of money fundings, and the party was protecting their dirty illegal business. Raja was giving speech when suddenly, out of nowhere, soon I was informed about another murder.
Sir, a Raja have been shot dead. Yes, sir. We have to send a police team there.
What? My God! Yes! Do as you think best!
Yes, sir. Jai Hind.
Due to immense pressure, the principal has become a thin man while he was very fat just before some months. Surely he was in tension about the upcoming elections. He was also tensed about those protesting students. He was drinking coffee while sitting on his balcony. Then suddenly, another syndicate member of that illegal organ trafficking business shot dead.
Sir, the principal has just shot dead? Yes, sir. And the locations of Raja and the principal got shot are more than 1 kilometer away. Maybe there are more than one serial killers.
What's going on? 2 murders within 10 minutes? Send another team there and inform me every single details. Surely someone was fighting for Dr. Pocky's justice. Later we found out with the help of forensic report, both Raja and Principal were shot with poisonous pins on their necks from a close range. Our constables asked many people who were present in those locations. No one saw any drone flying around. Strange, very strange. But surely it was not Pramita. She was sitting in police station, scrolling her phone. I was really confused. We were now tackling with a serial killer. Then who? Who is the killer? Or who are those killers? Who? And most importantly, how? Did you just shot 2 people? Look into my eyes and confess.
Oh, goddess, you scared me. No, I was just coding in my phone.
I see. Whatever. You can have the diary back.
Oh, thank you so much. Anything else I can help you with?
Don't leave the town until we catch the murderers. Sorry, I forgot to introduce myself. I am ASI, Samar Das. Nice to meet you. You can call me Samar.
I need to say another thing. There is a journalist in the reporter's office named Manoj. Pocky gave him a pen drive with many evidences to publish this illegal syndicate's crimes in newspaper. My sister trusted him, but he didn't publish anything regarding this case. My point is, maybe he is somehow involved.
I see. Thank you, Pramita. If you need any help, feel free to call me. And another thing I need to tell you, though we lower-ranking police officers try to work for justice, our hands are tied, as most of the higher-ranking officers get commission from the ruling political party. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. I promise I will try my best. Take care.
What's going to happen will surely happen. Thank you, Samar. I realized you are a good police officer. Take care. Goddess blesses you too.
If the reporter Manoj is not the murderer, then it's obvious that he was the one told the criminal syndicate about Dr. Pocky trying to reveal their secret organ trafficking criminal business. We started to observe Manoj, hoping for get some clues. By his call records, it was obvious he was connected to the principal. Yes, he betrayed Dr. Pocky. He was walking free, riding his bike to reporter's office, and one day, suddenly, in the court, the rapist Dhiru confessed his crimes. He said proudly that he was the one who sexually assaulted and murdered Dr. Pocky. But he didn't say anything about the organ trafficking syndicate running in the hospital. While in custody, Dhiru once said if he tells anything about the syndicate, his mother and family will be killed. I tried my best to make him confess about being involved with the syndicate, but he was stubborn. Though we were eager, We couldn't do anything for justice, but thank Goddess, on day after court hearing that sentenced him to death while coming out of the court building, the wrath of Goddess was seen by all. In my office, I was trying my best to find the killer, though deep inside, I didn't want to catch him or her, as the killer was killing sinners. But I had to do my job. Reading files, I was getting confused more and more. Close-range shots, not bullets, but poisonous pins. No drone was spotted in every locations where those sinners were shot on their necks. What can it be? A pen gun? But what about shooting poisonous pins in high buildings? Oh God, I'm really confused. After the death of the rapist Diru, no one was killed till today. 1 month has passed, but in Dr. Pocky's diary, she mentioned someone as queen, who was the boss of everything. Who could be this queen? Surely, must be our MLA who can become the chief minister of our state after the next election, Maduri Devi. The election is coming, but those students are still protesting, because of which, in a press conference, MLA Maduri Devi said,
Students are still protesting, though there are no proof of some criminal syndicate running illegal organ trafficking business inside that Rani Medical College hospital. And Durga Puja is coming soon. Many people are dependent on Goddess Durga Puja festival for their earnings. Don't ruin their chance to earn. Please, I request everyone to join the festival. What has been lost is lost. We can't bring back Dr. Pocky, but I am really sad about Dr. Pocky. I will go to Rani Medical College Hospital next week and talk to those student protesters myself, as I care a lot about my megatown. I promise I will make those students understand and try to fulfill their demands.
We police and those political bodyguards were in charge of MLA Maduri security. Many people from our megatown will going to come inside hospital campus to see and listen to the MLA. Though those poisonous pin shootings were stopped for a month, we were in high alerts. We couldn't be careless anymore. Though Pramita said what's going to happen will surely happen. Deep inside, I had a feeling something big was going to happen.
Samar, what are the security updates?
Sir, we have surrounded every corner with pandals so that no sniper shot can be made. MLA will give a speech in the hospital campus before having meeting with those students. She will be surrounded by armed forces always. Our police teams will be patrolling inside nearby high multi-story buildings, looking for any sniper rifle shooters. We will check everyone who will enter the campus. We will search for any suspicious objects, including electronic instruments, and other probable threats. If some drones will come flying, our security guards will shoot that drone.
Good, good. Be very careful with the security. We can't lose our opportunity for promotion.
Sir, we police get our salary for maintaining justice, but you, sir, with due respect, are also inside the pocket of ruling political party. I know you are also funded by the MLA. You had many informations about the criminal syndicate, but you didn't take any step.
Shut the fuck up. What are you blaming me?
Telling the truth, sir. And if you still have your spine erect, tell me the truth. You could have taken steps to investigate for that organ trafficking syndicate, but you didn't.
Listen, you are young, hot blood flowing through your veins, but we can't go against the ruling government. One day you will understand. Whatever. Focus on the security. Focus on your job.
As you command, sir. Jai Hind. Then the day came. MLA Maduri Devi came to college hospital campus, started giving speech. We all were in high alerts. But deep inside, I really wanted to happen something big. This corrupt MLA can become chief minister after the next election. O Goddess, justice is always in your divine hand. Bless us all. Lead us from darkness to the divine light. Please, Goddess, bless us.
Dear people of our great town, we, our honest political party members, had been always helped you. We have helped you forget justice always. With our party fundings, we have made many poor villagers rich. We have made this town greater and better, and we will serve you all till our last breath. I promise, after the next election, if I get a chance to become chief minister, I will. We will make our whole state become the greatest and richest state of India. Don't follow those opposition parties. They are just cunning wolves. They feed on your fears. We will give you justice, justice as we gave to Dr. Paki.
Suddenly, I spotted an amazing thing. Oh. Goddess, so that was the secret. I ran and chased the mechanical bird as fast as I could. This was the secret of close-range shootings of poisonous pins. I have to follow that mechanical bird. It will surely give all the answers. It will lead us to the truth. Amazing! So that's how those people were shot dead. So that's how Dr. Paki got justice. That's how! Don't try something stupid. Please, surrender yourself.
Wow, the officer is a sharpshooter. I had to do it for justice. For my sister, Paki.
You can't take the law in your hand.
And what if the law of our town is already sold out? Sold to all those rich people. Sold to the ruling political party.
So you were murdering people? How do you control it?
So you liked my science robotic college project? It was made as a toy for my sister, but I had to transform it into a weapon. I control it with my mobile phone. How else? Now I have also integrated AI. Still developing it.
I can't let you get away. You just killed a ruling political party leader. Don't try anything stupid. You have nowhere to run away.
Birds don't run. They have evolved in the most genius way. Birds can fly. They don't run. They fly away.
My God, you are truly amazing. Are those your pet eagles?
You are a good police officer. Samar, I really liked you. But understand, I had to do it. I had no choice. We couldn't get justice otherwise.
Please, let's go to the police station. You should surrender. You can't get away. I can't let you go.
I couldn't let you go too. Oh dear, I'm impressed.
No! No! Then I saw another amazing sight. Yes, eagles can carry and fly more weight than their own. That was the last time I saw her. And I fell in love. Only thing I had as her memory was that half-finished cigarette. She didn't run. Birds don't run away. She flew away. Birds flying away. I couldn't forget her. I am in love till today, and I will never forget her. Hope someday we will meet again. She is indeed the goddess. She is indeed the bird lady.